What's happening, people? Today is the 5th of May, May 5th. Today, as we can see, it was a Monday, beginning of the week. It was not a no news Monday. We did have news. We had, what, PMI or something like that. What was it? ISM, PMI. Services at 7. We had a green day on both accounts. We ran it up. It was nice. My balance is now -7. That's funny. I'm negative. My balance is negative. I'm in drawdown. No. Like I said, we're getting there. Anyways, today was a good day. Today was a good day in terms of trading. I had a lot of people I know, a lot of people that took trades today, and they did not win. I don't know why people's bias was to go short today. So let me go over my reasoning of why I went long, why I was looking for longs. Well, if we look in the high time frame, okay, we see here in the 1 hour that we were in this 1 hour fair value gap over here. This 1 hour fair value gap right here, and we were just kind of chopping it up in there during the pre-market, and then we had legs out of it. Same thing, the 4 hour, we were in a 4 hour fair value gap here too. So I don't know why people were deciding to go short. I don't see where the idea was to go short to these lows. Why? I mean, we've maintained a bullish structure to the upside. We have not broken. Yeah, we haven't broken bullish structure. We were not bearish at all. It makes sense, We had these legs up. We came down to the fair value gap. Legs up again. Filled this fair value gap, and I'm assuming we're just gonna keep going higher and do the same thing, right? Again, like I said, market does not go, and you should know this. If you don't, please stop watching this video and go learn some basics about trading, please. Market doesn't just go like that. No, follows this structure, this structure, this structure. Yeah. That's what's happening here. We're coming up here, fill this, come up here, went down, this, down, this, now down, this. What is this trend? Bullish. It's going up. We're in an uptrend. So I don't know why people were bullish or bearish today. My boy TJR, my mentor, the guy that introduced me to day trading, he took shorts. I don't know why, but let me just explain what I was. So there were actually a couple of trades that you could have taken today to go long. So first, before market opened, we had this news candle. I mean, market opened here at 9:30. We had these London highs over here, which were first my initial set of TPs, and then we had London lows over here. We had previous day lows here and all that stuff. So I guess I can see why people went short, because we had these double lows. When market came down on ES, it did not completely sweep them. It just made double lows, and that's kind of like a high confidence that, okay, we're going to want to come back down. Maybe for another day, we'll see. But anyways, market open, we were just chopping it up sideways for a good minute. Price action was not the best, to say the least. I will not lie about that. But of course, I was waiting until news, because it was a red folder, and it was 7 ISM PMI. It's a pretty big one. And just to show you, this was that 7 a.m. news candle. Look at that. Look at that. That's a weird candle. Came up. Drastic move up. Oh, hit this TP. This is on NQ. It hit my first TP. And I took it on ES. It hit my first TP with that news candle. So that's why I was kind of bummed out. I was like, okay, well, it hit my TP before I even took the trade. So what am I going to do? Well, I just waited to see what price wanted to do afterwards. Be patient. Be patient. That's the key. Being patient. Scale down to the 1 minute. Around after this was the news, right? 7 a.m. news came up, pushed up to news. I mean to the highs, the TPs, and then we had some legs down, and this was perfect. This was perfect. I liked this. Okay, I liked seeing this. This made me very happy. This made me happy. Why? Because we came down here into equilibrium, and what is this? Equilibrium, fair value gap. This strategy, this confluence, equilibrium plus a equilibrium plus a fair value gap, has never failed me before. Never, ever since I started trading. I remember in the beginning, like the first couple of months of trading, especially the first month, equilibrium plus fair. I need to spell this gun. equilibrium plus fair value gap never fails. Never. Never once have I taken a trade based off of equilibrium and a fair value gap and it's failed. I'm not saying it's 100% success rate in general, but I'm saying for me, it is 100% success rate, right? Right? But I'm pretty sure there's scenarios out there where it will not be. There's no such thing as 100% success rate in trading. And yeah, but this is a very good one. Equilibrium, fair value gap. Again, what is equilibrium? If you don't know, that means we have this low to this high. We come down into the midway, the halfway, which we call it equilibrium. So basically, this price range over here, beneath the line, is the discount price. Market wants to go to the discounted price. And then what does it do? Push back up. It fills orders. Plus a fair value gap too. Oh my God, that was beautiful. We came down here into equilibrium, fair value gap. I think, yeah, I got a really late fill in this because I think my computer was like glitching or something. I don't know. I think Top Step was just, my Wi-Fi was slow. But I like bought midway of this candle, or as soon as I was able to, I bought in and I got a pretty bad fill. But you know, it is what it is. My stops were beneath the candle that created the fair value gap. It should have been here technically, but that was pretty. It was a steep stop loss, so I was like, no. It was only 3 MES contracts, nothing too crazy. Okay, and again, I was stuck in some drawdown. For a fat minute. First TP was over here at these highs of the equilibrium. First TP was there. It hit first TP. And then again, chopping it up. And then I closed all positions here at these 1 hour highs. Over. What? Are those not 1 hour highs? Oh, no. This was the start of the 1 hour for value gap, yeah. Because I saw here in the higher time frame, again, you always have to look in the high time frame. Where does price want to go? That's how you determine it, not in the 1 minute or the 5 minute. High time frame, that's how you see where price wants to go. In the 1 hour, the 4 hour, okay? I saw this fair value gap here, 1 hour fair value gap. I was like, okay. Originally, the plan was to have my first TP where it was, the second TP at the start of this 1 hour for value gap, and the third TP at the midway, the middle of it, which it would have hit. But the thing is, this trade took so long, like really long. When did I get in? At 7:08, and I exited at 7:57. It was like a damn near an hour. So yeah, no, it was a long trade. So I just stopped full clip position over here. And that was that. I did the same thing on both my Express and Combine. Of course, a Combine I bought 4. One a little heavier. Made the 360. Counts value is at what? 51, 182. And the Express is -7. Well, you know, it's okay. It's okay. But, you know, we're getting there. We're getting there. It was a good day. It was a very good day. And, yeah, that was that for today. Hopefully you had a profitable day, too. And if you didn't, like I said, don't give up. Don't be a sore loser. Nobody likes a sore loser. Don't be goofy, right? But yeah, that's that for today.